welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. I am still waiting on the last couple of winners to send me their pics so I can feature them in an upcoming video. I'm hoping that I can do that this coming Monday, and at that point in time I will also be announcing the newest giveaway, upcoming giveaway. I don't know what I'm trying to say. The next giveaway. So with that being said, I am getting into Ipsy. So if you guys watched my Ipsy Plus, you know that it said, or I read to you, and I didn't know if I misunderstood it or not, but that they'll be shipping the bags out in the Ipsy Plus, like the actual bag. And if that's the case, then I will be canceling this one. I mostly get this for you guys, for the variations. Most of the times I don't prefer the stuff that's in this bag. I mean, I think it's a good bag. I just, samples and singles just really aren't my thing, but I love, love, love the bags. So I'm hoping they do start doing that so that way I can cancel this and also have the benefit of getting the bag. So let's get into this. So everybody knows, or you should know, that Ipsy is $10 a month. Oh, that's a cute bag. So it is like a mesh sort of a bag, which is new because usually they're plastic. And the little handle is a crystal. That's cute, and you can see it has like the constellations and stuff like that. So that is really cute. Is the bag usually in here, or the... Yep, there it is. Okay, so you usually get a paper or a pamphlet or whatever you'd like to call it today. And it does tell you the products, but it does not tell you how much the products cost. So let's go ahead and get into it. The first thing I am pulling out is, I'm not sure because it's in bubble wrap. So this is an Ofra blush, and that looks like it's full size to me. It's the Ofra Cosmetics and Madison Ollie blush. And it says, this limited edition collab between beauty guru Ofra and beauty lifestyle vlogger Madison Miller gives us highly pigmented shadows, glosses, blushes, and beyond. This terracotta peach blush. So you see it's there, and it's not in their normal packaging or their newest packaging. So that is a little different, but I open it up and it is a very terracotta sort of a peach. So I'm not going to swatch this because this will actually just go in a giveaway for you guys. The next thing I am pulling out is Kula, and I guess it's just sunscreen, but it's a very, very tiny sunscreen. So I actually have Kula brand sunscreens. This is what I used to buy before I actually started getting sunscreens and box subscriptions. So that's cool. I will keep that. It's just a tiny little sample. The next thing I am pulling out is Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. And this is Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. Ooh! And it is kind of like a jelly sort of a thing. Whoa, and it almost slid right out of there. That's very jelly-like. That's interesting. So I will actually keep this and give it a try if I don't make a mess everywhere first. Let's see. How are you supposed to do this? It says, made with natural ingredients, Glow Recipe products embody what's best about K-beauty. This gel-like mask can be used in the AM or overnight to give your skin a major hydration boost. Watermelon, seaweed, and pumpkin fruit extracts brighten, protect, and even out skin textures. Okay, so I am cool with that. I will keep it. It's probably just a one and done sort of mask. I mean, it does, it's so slimy. That's so weird. Okay, you know what? Let me touch it. I'll touch the little bit that's in the lid here. It does smell like watermelon though. That's such a weird feeling. It doesn't say wash off, so I'm assuming you just put it on and then let it soak into your skin. Now I need to try to get this lid back on it. That's, works for me. Okay, the next thing I am pulling out here is a Nature's Cartel. Oh, it's a nail polish, okay. And let's see, Nature's Cartel nail polish in Bros Gold. Instead of rose gold, maybe? Oh yeah, that's a pretty color. I do like that. But that will go in my fingernail polish collection, which isn't very big, by the way. I think my nails, something that I worry about the least. I don't know why. The next thing I am pulling out is a highlighter by IBY. And a highlighter in Private Jet. It's a highlighter in Private Jet. And if you guys can hear my son doing rap battles in the background, I apologize. He is in his room doing rap battles, but he's always so loud. So if you can hear him, I am sorry. Let's see. Okay. All right, so that is a pretty color. It's just kind of like a gold. I don't know if you can really see that, but I will also probably just toss this in the giveaway. I think that it's a pretty color, but I just have so many highlighters and I just would much rather give back. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and have a great day. Bye.